Hello, Flower School 101. We're here with Paulina Gonzalez, and she just finished her final project, which is her wedding. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. How did that go?
I love it. This is my first time taking a class, and I wanted to experience that with you because you're the best.
Thank you. How did it go this week?
It was a total blast. I love it. In 1 week, I learned what I think it's a whole career for you.
Yeah.
So you did an awesome job compromising.
You got, a couple of times you went wild. I reeled you back in, like on this one, and it turned out perfect. What are you going to do with your new talents? New weddings, events?
I'm an event planner.
Oh,
So as part of my job, I do decorations with flowers.
I love your work today. I loved your work all week.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
very pretty.
Thank you for everything that you taught us this week. Yeah.
I give it away. I tell you everything. I don't hold anything back. That's, I always tell a great designer, they'll give it away. I'm not afraid of competition. I want my students to really shine, sparkle. It's very important to me that you learn the skills when you get out of here. You can function and create this
Can
kind
we
of
come
stuff.
back to you for advice?
Yes, anytime. You can call me anytime, email me anytime, whatever you want.
Thank you.
Flower School 101.